Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To my dear friends, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. These collections are very pretty and impressive, so I hope you like it. These ideas are very different. So my dear friends, these collections are very beautiful. And unique ideas of best, so keep watching my all beautiful new designs and new ideas for starting to end, and connect with me. Because are unique update for different and stylish. Hope you like it. These updates are very interesting and different stone hanging, jhumar ideas, different stone and shells decorations, and viewers, you can watch this latest update and unique style ideas of bestly. So hope you like it. And friends, this collection are very pretty and unique, so hope you like this style, these updates and ideas, or watch my new designs on my YouTube channel, DIY craft video. And so inshallah you like all the decent beautiful collections, and you can carry these ideas of bestly. And friends, so keep like it. These ideas are pretty and beautiful. Hope you like and will enjoy these ideas. On my YouTube collection. Let's see my next videos on my YouTube channel.